guys, it's Chris here, and I'm jumping off a swing, and I hit that kid. Sorry.
Hit me.
Yes, I hit him. Okay.
Call his mommy and tell her that on him. I can video you first.
No, I want to get a video of like me jumping through the air.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Really?
Okay.
Really? We're sitting together in science, right?
Just let me get some air. I'll be soaring like a bird. Screamy.
He's screaming.
No.
Screams at the dog. He squeals like a pig.
He's the bird.
I'm a bird. I'm a pig. I'm a blue macaw. Oh, I'm Rio.
Okay. I got.
Just wait.